first thing, we want to download the Signia app. Okay, Signia has some other applications, but the one called a Signia App, that's the one you want. Okay, once you have that, you open it up. And now we're going to use Bluetooth to connect the hearing aids to the phone. But before we do that, we need to make sure Bluetooth is on. So we go to Settings, we go to Bluetooth, and we make sure it's on. Okay. Now, if we have an Android phone at this time, we go back to the app. Okay, we're going to use Bluetooth to connect the app to our hearing aids. Before we can do that, we have to turn our hearing aids off and back on. That puts them in a pairing mode. Now, there's a few different ways to do that. I'll show you that here. If I have a hearing aid that has a battery, to turn it on and off, I just open up the battery door and I close it again. Now it's on and it's ready to pair with my phone. If I have a rechargeable hearing aid, I can simply put it in its charger to turn it off and on again, or I can hold down this bottom volume button for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it go. It's off. Then hold it down again for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it should be back on, ready to pair. Go back to the app and we press Bluetooth. You'll see it searching for the hearing aids. You'll see a little wheel turning. It's searching for the hearing aids, and then it'll see your names, hearing aids, and there'll be an L and an R for left and right. You want to see left and right. Click yes, pair, and then you're ready to go. But if you have an iPhone, you have to go back to your settings. I don't go to Bluetooth. We're going to scroll down. Now on a newer iPhone, right in here you will see accessibility, right around here. But on this older iPhone, I first have to go general, then accessibility. Then I go down to MFi hearing devices. Click that. It's searching. Before my hearing aids will be paired with my phone, I have to turn them off and back on again so that my phone can see them. Only have to do this the first time we're pairing. And now it sees them. And I'm going to pair 2 times for each, once for each hearing aid. Now it is paired. All right, so we've connected with an iPhone to the hearing aids, and now we want to connect the app. We press Bluetooth. And it sees my hearing aids, and it's connecting to my hearing aids. It's going through the process of that initial connection with the app. Connection success. Let's go. And now we're in the app.